How to change the default USB connection mode on Samsung. This tutorial shows you how to set what happens automatically when you plug in a USB cable. First, open the Settings app on your device. After that, scroll down and look for About Phone and turn on Developer Options. From there, scroll down and select Developer Options. Once done, go ahead and select Default USB Configuration. Scroll a bit to find that option. At this point, you'll see options like Charge this device, Transfer files, and Transfer images. In the next step, select the option you want to set as default whenever you connect a USB cable. Following this setting will now apply automatically the next time you plug your device into a computer. Keep in mind, if a cable is already connected, you can also change this on the fly from the notification panel without going into settings. Finally, unplug and reconnect your USB cable to confirm the new default mode is working. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the default USB connection mode on Samsung, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.